iQOO share iQOO Neo 11 camera samples. It looks so good. Include a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS support, an ultra-wide-angle lens. After teasers, iQOO has confirmed the launch of Neo 11 as the successor to last year's Neo 10 in China on October 30th. iQOO Neo 11 hands-on unboxing video leaks now. It comes with a very interesting backside. The iQOO Neo 11 has a metal frame. It has IP68 and IP69 ratings for dust and water resistance, and a premium feel. iQOO Neo 11 will be sold in black, blue, orange, and silver, sporting a 6.8x-inch screen with 2K resolution, which is developed in collaboration with BOE with 144 Hz adaptive screen refresh rate, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor. The Neo 11 runs on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and Origin OS 6, which is based on Android 16, a 7,500 mAh battery, and 100W fast charging support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.